Is it possible to record your screen for free? If you have a Mac, then you can just use QuickTime, nice and easy, built in, quite a versatile tool. But what happens if you're running Windows? Now, you've also got the option of the game bar in Windows, but it has its downside. You can only record a single window. What if you've got an older PC that's pre-Windows 10? You don't want to be downloading shareware, freeware, getting a virus, signing up to this, signing up to that. Why not use VLC? VLC is quite a comprehensive media player, but did you know that you can actually use it for recording purposes too? In this video, we're going to show you exactly how to do a screen recording, and we're going to show you how to do that for free. So what we will do first is we will change the view. It's already in advanced mode. Just make sure that that is ticked. Advanced controls just give you another few buttons down there, and then we will go over to media, and then from there we need to be opening the capture device. We need to be selecting the capture mode to the desktop because we want to record the desktop. I've set the frame rate at 15 frames per second, and then we need to press this button there and go down to convert. Then from here we need to give it a destination file, so let's browse and let's call it test, and then we will save this to the desktop. That will create a folder just here, and then let's start that screen recording. From here we can then do whatever we want to do on the screen. We can go up here, we can let's create a bit of movement on the screen so you can see that it's recorded, and we could even open things here. We could open other windows and what have you there. Let's close it for now and let's see the output file. And then there we have the output file there. Let's double click on that and let's watch that back. And as you can see, that's recorded the screen. You'll see it playing around with the top menu there in a second. There we go. It's not great at acknowledging or showing mouse clicks or the mouse. This is my mouse there that's on the screen now, but it will screen record, and it's free and it's really easy. Thank you for watching. I hope you got some value from that. Really appreciate your time. If you liked the video, please give it a like. Please hit that subscribe button now and also the notification button so you don't miss out on any more tips like this.